So I'm talking to you guys a lot about the power of community and how you need to yoke up and find your own community. And today marks a really good example. I mean, every time we come to Kansas, we have some other way that our community has helped us make this transition from being in the city into living off-grid. And today, one of the ways we have community really empowering us, more than one way actually, we had some friends that mowed a path down our land so that we could get back to our tiny house, and that really helped. And then they mowed the front area as well, so that really helps. And then we had a friend that lent us batteries and an inverter for our solar panels so that we can hook up and have like adequate solar energy for more than just like a few hours, right? But these portable generators, they just, I don't know, they seem like they don't last very long. So anyway, we are here picking all of that up, and then we're gonna go back to the house and hopefully start setting it up. So it's, you know, clearly like a sunny day out today. So our other generators are pretty full just by using the sun and the solar panels and charging them, but it'll be super awesome to actually have like full-time power where we could use like our switches, hook it up to the breaker box and all of that. So you know, this is just one example, maybe two examples of how our community has stepped up to really help us make this transition, and we couldn't be more grateful. We were talking with some new community members that we met last night, and they were asking us why we chose this area, because we were talking about how much we have spent looking for other property. And we told them, I mean, community, plain and simple. So I encourage you to try to yoke up and find your own community, find a community that suits you, where the people are like-minded and believe the same things, because it's a powerful thing when you can find people who want to help you and actually take joy in helping one another. It's a pretty awesome experience.
Like a rag, so we can wipe them all down and clean them up, get all the dirt off them.
These are very heavy. There's no way I can pick them up. What did you say?
Power of community. Thanks, Dad. But yeah, they're heavy.
I'm gonna paint these boards before I start painting my bench. Joe wants to start building his shelves, so to get those drying and on the way, I'm just gonna roll that out really quick.
Even the best of us have been misunderstood, so get up on your feet. The sun is shining, repentance through the leaf. Its rays will wash you clean. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like are talking is starting to rhyme. Letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life.
One of the things we have to get done is get our solar up. And Joe's working on hanging the rack on the roof so that we can hang 2 panels. We bought 31 4x8 solar panels. So we're able to kind of use them as we need to. We had a friend from the community lend us the batteries, inverter, and charge controllers. So I am painting the wood for Joe so that he can make a shelf to put everything and house it all. We have a very tiny space, obviously, so he's going to try to condense it. And that is what we're going to do while we're waiting for the wires. Everything's getting shipped. We couldn't buy what we needed locally. So we ended up having to order the cables, and we're waiting for them. So what do? We have to make the most of our time. Well, if you work with me, we do. So we're going to make the most of our time while we're here. So he's going to get everything ready so that as soon as the wires come, all we have to do is just hook everything up. But everything else is in place and ready to go. So right now, I'm painting that, getting it done for him. He's charging all the tools and getting everything that he needs together so that we can be ready to rock and roll on this. But that's just one thing that we're doing to try to kind of divide up what we have to do. We have also made a call into a guy that owns a bulldozer that can help us excavate the land where we need to get it leveled out for the tiny house. So that's what we're working on. Right now, he is gonna start hanging they're like metal brackets for the solar panels to attach to.
All I like good talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. Oh, give me all you can of this beautiful life.